Okay, this is Ed again, and we're going to solder this piece together. I'm going to put some flux. We're still working on Victoria's ring. I want people to know, as I'm working on this ring here, that all the steps and processes to create the stone and to create the ring is the same process I go with every ring that I create, or every bracelet I create, or every pendant I create. There's a lot of steps, a lot of things, a lot of work, and when it's done, a lot of that, all that effort and creativity amounts to something, and that's what this is all about. So I'm going to put a piece of solder there. I'm going to use medium flow on this, because otherwise, well, I mean, I could use hard solder, but this will work. So I want to seat it, and I want to set it right on the edge, teeter-tottering that piece of solder. I'm gonna go ahead and start my torch. And let it go. I kind of brought it in real close so everybody can see. And once you see the piece flattened down on top of the surface, then you'll know that it did get soldered, because the solder is resting it up. It's kind of holding it like a jack. It's jacked up, and it'll fall down. It's like someone released the air in it. There, you see it? Go ahead. Okay. My fear is that there wasn't enough solder, because I told you those solder welds take up a lot of solder. So we'll have to look at it and see if it needs a little bit more solder. We can clean it up and add some more solder. But I think it'll be okay. Where you'll see it is when we begin to flatten it out, where the little cracks like that will begin to pop out, and we'll see what happens after that. Okay, so we'll go to the next step after that.